Hello, traders. To my subscribers, I want to say welcome back. And for those of you who are new here, I want to say welcome to Green Forex Academy, helping traders become more profitable. So I'm excited to be here today. I'll be analyzing AUD card 1 hour time frame. So this is Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar, right? So we can see here clearly this is 1 hour time frame, and I'll be analyzing this trading opportunity, which is volume profile analysis. You want to crush it in the market. You want to make that profit, right? You just want to use price action strategy because that is what works, right? You want to go with the price. You want to see what's happening, and you want to take opportunities of what is going on directly with the price. So here we can see in 1 hour, right? This is 1 hour time frame. We've got our point of control here, right? There's black line here passing through this place that you can see the market ranging, right? So here we can see the market range here, right? So I want to take you to 4 hours. I want to take you to daily candles so that we can see that this is a top-down analysis, right? So we can see this is 4 hours, right? We can see this is 4 hours. In 4 hours, we can see that the point of control, right? We can see the volume cluster here showing that this is where we have most of the candles rejected, right? Rejecting here, rejecting here. Now we've got like market ranging here. So we've got volume here, right? Volume profile. So we are looking to sell the market around this point, right? In 1 hour time frame. Now let's go to daily candles and see what happened. Now we can see in daily candle, we still have a very nice downtrend. The market is on the downside. So daily is on the downside, 4 hour is on a downtrend, and 1 hour is on a downtrend. We can see that all correlates, right? So we are doing what we call top-down analysis, right? So we are going with the trend. We are not going against the trend because in trading, they say the trend is your friend. The trend can only be your friend when you know where the trend is going. So here we can see clearly that the trend is going down, right? We can see the trend from this point here, the trend is going down. You know, the trend is going down here, and then it came here, and then it's going down. So we have a pullback, right? We've got a pullback there, but that pullback, we can see that it's just a pullback. We've got a pullback here on a daily candle. Downtrend, a pullback, impulse, correction. Now the market is trying to pull back, right? On a daily time frame. We can see that clearly. And as I told you guys, we are going back to 1 hour time frame. So let's go back to 4 hours so that you guys can see it again. This is 4 hours, right? This is 4 hours. So we go back to an hour and let's see what we've got there in 1 hour. Here, this is where we are, right? So I will be analyzing the market here and you guys can see this, right? So from this point here, I can say this is what? Range market, right? The market is ranging at this point. So we want to make sure that when we see something like that, we want to pay attention. We want to say, hey, why is the market just going up and down? So we've got accumulation, we've got distribution. We want to know what is happening, right? So here at this point, we can see right across the POC, the market was ranging. And then here we have a reason because we can see that the volume cluster is just directly towards the range market, right? Now, what happened? 1 hour. We want to wait to see when the market pulls back, right? At this point, we saw that the market came from the upside to the downside, right? We say top-down analysis. Here we have the market pull to the downside, right? Pull to the downside. Now we want to see that if the market makes some corrections from where? From this point, market is correcting, right? Market might go this way, it might struggle a little bit, or it might just go straight, but we want to wait to see if the market pulls back to this point, right? So this point is 0.8961. So it doesn't really have to be perfect 0.8961 because you are using a different brokers. For those of you who are not using the same broker as I do, you might just see difference between maybe 0.8960, 0.8955, 0.8958. It all depends, right? So we are working with range in trading. We're not working with a specific number or a specific price, right? You just want to know that you're selling within this range or within this zone. And that's the beauty of trading, because it's not about just one line. You want to sell here or you want to buy here. It doesn't work that way. So here on my platform is 0.8961. So at this point, I want to wait to see when the market hit that place, this zone. As you can see, this is a range, right? This zone. Once the price is inside the zone, I'm comfortable to sell, right? Or I can place a short, a pending order. So at this point, I will wait to see how the market plays out, right? Normally, yeah, sometimes it might just go up a little bit or struggle around this point of control, but we're looking forward to see this market start going down, going down, going down, and then come back to this point, right? So we want to take our profit at this place, this low here, right? We don't want to wait to see the price breaking through the low. So it will be advisable that you are even taking the profit before the low, right? So we want to take our profit somewhere here, right? So, right, we want to take our profit somewhere there. It is advisable to just do that. So we want to say, we'll put this line here, right? This line is going to be our take profit line. And then our entry is going to be here, right? And then our stop loss is going to be somewhere here, right? This is the stop loss is going to be somewhere here. So the moment, right, that you put your stop loss somewhere around here, you're good to go. Now we can see that there's a great potential here. Our ratio is really good because if we catch this trade in our favor, we are going to be making 1:2 or 1:3. And this is the beauty of trading. Each time you are taking a risk, let that risk not be too much. And then when you make profit, you make double or even more. That's the beauty of trading. So at this point, we want to say stop loss, right? We want to say stop loss here, right? Stop loss. Want to put stop loss here. So we want to put take profit entry. We want to say sell here, right? Sell. Here we have sell. And our take profit, it's going to be here. Take profit. It's going to be here, right? So we've got our sell, which is our entry. We've got our stop loss here. We've got our take profit, and we are good to go. We can set up pending orders. You don't have to stay glued to the screen. If you are working 9 to 5, you just set a pending order and see how this trade plays out. So this is the trade opportunity for today. And this is not actually a financial advice, right? So you can make your own choice. You can decide if you want to take this trade or not. So make that decision for yourself. But for my students that do trade with me, they know how we trade, and we make more profit than we take losses. Losses is part of the game. And if you are trading this way, you make sure that your stop loss is always calculated with a good ratio, and your take profit is higher. That's a good risk to reward ratio. And guys, I want to leave you guys here. And for those of you who have not yet subscribed, subscribe, click that notification bell so that you can receive notification each time I publish a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.